Starting a project in HomeByMe is super quick and super easy. They've got tons of ways to start your project, and I'm going to show you every single one of them. Let's get into it. To start a new project, we're going to go and click on create a project, making sure that we are here on our dashboard. Now, you'll have a few options when you're creating a new project. You can start off by using a template, or you can start off with a blank plan. So on the left over here, you will be able to create from an empty room, and here you'll be able to create the type of room that you would like to select over here, and then you can also choose the approximate size and then also the approximate shape. You can also go and click on start with a template. This will allow you to start with something already pre-built, and you can thereafter customize it to your liking. So there are preset rooms, and then if you go to the top, there are whole projects as well. So you can see that there are quite a few nice projects here that you can play around with. And then the very last option is to upload a 2D plan. So if you click on this, you'll have to have a 2D plan on your device, and you can upload this in PDF. You can also upload it in JPEG or PNG. And when you are uploading, you will then scale it and you'll be able to trace over your floor plan. Note, you will not be able to use the floor plan. It will not be interactive. You'll have to create a plan over that floor plan. But whichever way you end up going, you can go, and once you have selected the method, you will get over onto this page, and this is your editor. Here you will be able to click down on anything and edit that item. So once you click on it, you can split, add, edit, or delete. Once you're going into edit, you will see a few options come up on the right hand side, and this is where you can change all the properties of that specific element that you have selected.